Gocha kaisane birichon wasa century yo wengo muraibu abakase bunge ya county ya Kisii Dennis Ombachi yo igoro mu MC we goderi ya marani me ya county ya Kisii ni garoka ne kubuli mu governor we county ya Kisii Simba Arati ko ne kibuna nkanyarego ite budget ibona yabake ukwanerwa ase bunge ni gochinga ya tabire buna mbagendere kubwatira na sobe mena kumwakiro mu governor biyamo na so wakana gadia madeni osama kabesa ibona aroka ne wakano gocha sabant ni gochinga kichibono mu MC Dennis Ombachi anyarego ate yabuna serikali ya county ya Kisii asama tuka mange ni rokane gotigara maiga samangana ringe tamagendro asabona borio mu governor kane kubana kubwatira nare amana bara yibonse erikane kubana ngoikiranira magendro imeye county ya Kisii.
Assure the members of the public that we have looked at it. The only work now that is remaining for the governor and his team to move. I want to congratulate Governor Simba Arati for coming up with a good budget. And he has also put in some flagship projects which is going to do. He has assured he's going to buy some machinery that will be doing work at the end of the year. We'll have done a lot of work, even more than what we have. So we want to urge him that let him implement, because now the key word is to implement what he has budgeted for. Yeah, we have had a challenge in terms of absorption of the budget. For the last 1.5 years, we were ranked last, but for the last few months, credit be given to Governor. He has paid quite a number of projects that have been done, and those that have not been done have been procured. So that means the procurement process has improved. But still, there is now the uptake has moved from around 5%, and I think once the figures will come out, it could be around 25% by now. So it's good. We are in the right direction. We want to urge him to work and move faster. We need to push the people, the chief officers and the technical people to move. Where he didn't have the officers, I am sure the Public Service Board have given them to him. So we want to reduce the reasons or the